Hey guys, this is AngieTangy here. Today's video is going to be something different. So, let's just say I spent a little too much money during the holiday season and all of that. So I ordered a lot of stuff online, and the reason why I didn't film this earlier was because I still am waiting on some things to get in the mail. I haven't even opened or touched or seen any of the things here. I just grabbed them and I put it on my desk right here, and I was just stacking stuff up. It's literally piling up. So, I couldn't wait any longer. I want to try all this stuff out. I want to put it on. I want to wear this makeup. So, the rest of the things that still have not gotten here is just going to have to wait for another day. Before we get started, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. I don't know what to start with first because there's literally so many things here that I'm not even sure where to start. Let's just go ahead and start with these brushes that I've been having. I got these on my BoxyCharm, BoxyLux. These brushes, look at that. They're so pretty, and they are by Luxue Beauty. I think there's one missing because I think I did use that one. They are really nice, really soft. I love them. Also, I didn't just order some of these stuff. I went to Ulta and Sephora. It was just one little bag from Sephora, and then I have a whole bunch of stuff that I got from Ulta as well. I bought Morphe things from the website, and I bought a whole bunch of different things from different websites. And I kind of went a little bit crazy. Just looking at all this makeup stacked up just brings me joy. I'm a makeup hoarder. If that's a thing. I'm pretty sure that's a thing, and I shouldn't be proud of it, but I am. Next item is I picked up this Morphe highlight and contour. I haven't even opened it, see? It's completely sealed. I want to get it out for you guys. And I've seen this in a lot. Ooh, it's kind of firm. And this is definitely, it's whenever you're baking. I've been wanting to try this one. I just wanted to make the video first. So that's one beauty blender that I got. Not beauty blender, but a sponge. And another one that I got, I picked this one up at Sephora. And this one I haven't opened either, so I'm not sure how it feels. It's really small, but it looks so pretty. Look at that. And this one is Beauty Blender. And this is the Electric Violet Swirl. So I do have a beauty blender, but look at it. It's all beat up. Yes. Next, sponge. I think we're starting out with the sponges, I guess. So I got this. It was an Instagram ad, and I remember watching NikkieTutorial's video, and she used it, so I was like, huh. So this is the sponge. It's really soft. So this one is supposed to help you if you want a more natural airbrushed foundation finish. It's microfiber bristles. I just want to say that when I saw this on NikkieTutorial's video, I was like, I need to try that because it's supposed to save a lot of your foundation. A lot of your foundation stays on the normal ones. So this one is supposed to save a lot of your foundation and just actually leave it on your face where it's supposed to go, rather than staying on the sponge. So I'm really excited to try this out. You know, if Naked Tutorial said it was good, I'm just kidding. But I do want to try it out, and I will be trying it out. Let me know what you guys want me to review, or comment down below anything, any new makeup that you guys want me to review or to buy, and let you guys know what my thoughts are. All of these are my thoughts and opinions. I'm not sponsored. There, however, might be some affiliate links. I think as of now I don't have any that are on here. So moving on, I also got this Morphe setting spray because I saw it from my sister-in-law in her bathroom, and I was like, I've always seen people like trying this out and like wearing it, Jaclyn Hill and a lot of people. So, but I just never tried it, and I mentioned that to my sister-in-law, and she was like, oh, okay. So for Christmas she got me one of these, and I'll also show you what else she got me. She got me a palette that I'll show you guys later on, but I was like, oh my god. So I have this one, and I also have two, because I bought one myself and then she gave me one. So I'm glad though, because I've been using it and I love it. My makeup stayed pretty put every time I've used this as my setting spray. So yeah. Okay, moving on, we're going to do I was really excited about this one because this is the Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm going to be honest with you, I already tried it once just because I could not wait. So this is how it looks, and I am the shade 210. So this foundation, it oxidizes, so you might want to get a shade that's a little bit lighter. And I found this out because I was talking to the girl at Sephora, and she was, you know, telling me about it. And it's really pretty. I love the packaging. It's like fancy schmancy. And I also have the concealer that just launched. So this is how the concealer looks. It looks just like a mini me version of the foundation, and I tried it as well because I could not wait, and this was pretty good. I wasn't gonna make a video about it because there was a lot of people making videos, but I know there's a lot of like mixed reviews, and I just want to say that I like it. I tried it. It lasted a good amount of time. I'm not wearing it today, but I liked it. It was pretty good. And just the packaging, look at that. The packaging is just beautiful. Next, something that I got at Ulta is this, what is it? First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Minis. And this is the original and the pink grapefruit infusion one. So this is how it looks, and when you open it, yeah, it doesn't really have a smell, but that's, it kind of looks like whipped, like a little bit whipped. It has no parabens or harsh chemicals or colorants. I had like the sample of it, so I already know that I like it. I also have not seen this one. Oh, this one smells good. I like the smell of grapefruit, so, and this one looks just the same. Yeah, there's no color in it as well. It's just the smell, and I like it. I like the smell. If you do not like smells, however, this might not be for you. Oh, I got this in my BoxyCharm, and this is a leave-in conditioning spray, and when I took a shower the other day, I remembered that I had this sitting in my desk, and I sprayed it, and first of all, I think it smelled good. I can't remember now. I'm not sure if it was like my shampoo mixed with it, but it really did make my hair feel a lot smoother, softer. So yeah, Briogeo. Move on. Next. Also from Ulta, I picked up this Let's Get Toasty mini matte liquid lipstick sets, and look at that. Just look at that. These, I'm gonna do swatches. So these are the mini lipsticks, and I have not tried any Dose of Colors lipsticks, so let's try out this one. This one is called Truffle, and I'm just gonna do some swatches on my hand. Okay, this is the applicator. Okay, let's see if we... Oh yeah! Just felt really soft, smooth. Yes, okay, so this one's Truffle. The next one is gonna be Heartbreaker. I love these colors. Like, I feel bad because a lot of my lipsticks are like just like neutral colors like these. This one is Catching Feelings. It's like a little bit more peachy. And the last one is called Stone. That's a really pretty pink. That is beautiful. I love these. Okay. Oops. So since we already got into lipsticks, I'm gonna go ahead and also I got this Ofra lipstick in my BoxyCharm, and this is Miami Fever. Okay, this one is very orangey, but I'm okay with that. I'm okay with the orangey. The next one is by ColourPop. It looks so pretty. I don't know, I'm so excited. Look, oh my god, this is so pretty, you guys. It's an ultra metallic lip. This is so pretty. I had to get like a few in, but I think it's just because I was like in an awkward position. I'm not very good at that, but this is how it looks. Really pretty. I'm happy. Also, getting into the whole ColourPop thing, you know how I said that I haven't done the video because I've been waiting for things to get here. They were taking too long. One of the packages that took a long time was ColourPop. I can't even remember when I ordered it, but it took a long time, and whenever I got it, I got this as well. It says, sorry we're late, XO ColourPop, and it came with this extra lipstick. Is it called Mrs.? I haven't seen it yet, but I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. Ooh, this is really pretty. Oh yeah, this is a really pretty pink. you know, I was kind of mad that everything was taking forever, but since they sent me this, like, I'm Gucci, like, I'm chilling. Thanks, ColourPop. So the next one, I was so excited to try this one out because I've seen it so much, and I was like, well, I'll try one product from them, and that is from Beauty Bakery. And look at just, this is so pretty. Okay, and then you just, like, it comes in the there. That is so cute. So this is the Lip Whip, and this is the shade Salted Caramel Mocha. So I'm gonna swatch this one out as well. Ooh, look at that's the little applicator. Oh my god. I love me some brown colors. And this color, y'all, it's supposed to like stay on and last a really long time. So we're gonna put that to the test in another video. Not today, but in another video. Next is, I got a Morphe lipstick. I don't own any Morphe lipsticks. This one is in the shade Jealousy. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, I don't own any Morphe lipsticks, and this is so pretty. This is so pretty. It like went on super smooth and everything. It's this one right here. This is the one. And it's called Jealousy, and I am definitely going to be buying some more Morphe lipsticks because just the packaging too. Look at that. I think all of these have like gorgeous packaging. Are we done with the lipsticks? Yeah, I think we're done with the lipsticks, but that was a pretty good amount of lipsticks if you tell me. Oh, we're not done with the lipsticks. I also picked up this little kit from Ulta, and this is really exciting actually. So it comes with 2 liquid lipsticks and the Rodeo Drive. I'm gonna just say that I'm gonna swatch this right away because I've seen so many people. Oh my god, look at that, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is so pretty. I know a lot of people have used this, and I know I'm super late, but your girl got it now. It's a mini, so I'm probably gonna run through it very quickly. This other one, it's in the shade Americano. It looks kind of the same as this one. Well, we're trying out. We're gonna see if it is, because it wasn't the same one. What do you guys think? That looks really similar, and I know it's not the same one because this one is Miami Fever and this one is Americano. So they look really similar to each other, but I guess they're just different.